How to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss in Hindi. In this video, I will share my tips on how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss at home without exercise. Quick medical disclaimer. While this video is meant to provide you with the information you need to stay healthy naturally, it is highly recommended that you consult a physician before you begin any form of a regiment or follow any of the suggestions in this video. If you have any side effects as a result of the following information, consult a physician immediately. I am not a doctor, and this video is provided for informational purposes only. I just want to say thanks for checking out this video, really appreciate you doing so. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our Natural Home Remedies channel for more great health tips. Then click the post notifications bell to keep up with our updates. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show a morning routine weight loss drink using apple cider vinegar with Mota. The strength will help you lose up to 5 kilos in 5 days, if you are on a balanced diet. If you wish to learn more about apple cider vinegar, keep watching. Now let's start making this drink, and the first step is to take a glass of water in a saucepan, turn on the heat and wait till the water gets warm. We do not have to boil the water, just warm enough to drink. The saucepan I'm using is from Cuisine Art. When the water gets warm, turn off the heat. Now take a glass and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with Mother. A CP with Mother has beneficial bacteria that help you lose weight. Doing sure to shake the bottle when before adding in this drink. A CB with Mother will reduce your body fat percentage, help you lose belly fat and decrease your body triglycerides. Next I'm going to add is lemon juice. The lemon I have is quite big in size, so I'll be using 1/3 of it. This knife is also from Cuisine Art. You may use juice of 1 whole lemon or half depending on its size. Lemon juice on an empty stomach increases your metabolic rate and detoxes your body. The next ingredient I'm adding is cinnamon powder. Cinnamon regulates your blood sugar and curbs your appetite. It also lowers your LDL cholesterol and boosts your metabolism. Here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Next ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper increases your body's temperature and metabolism. It also increases the feeling of fullness and helps in weight loss. Now, in case you're not able to find cayenne pepper, then replace it with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in weight loss by increasing your metabolism, improving your digestion and preventing the formation of new fat cells. The drink may taste a bit spicy with the addition of a kind of black pepper, but that's how it kick-starts your metabolism and help you lose weight. The last ingredient that I'm going to add is optional, and it is salt water. If you have this with you, go ahead and add, else skip this step. This is made using Himalayan pink salt, improves the digestive system, reduces bloating and helps in considerable weight loss. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt water. Now pour the warm water in the glass and stir well. Though it's a morning routine drink and needs to be consumed on an empty stomach every day, you can also have it 30 minutes before both your meals, that is 30 minutes before lunch and 30 minutes before dinner. During these 2 times you can skip adding cayenne pepper or black pepper powder. Just make the drink with apple cider vinegar, lemon juice and cinnamon powder. Also in lunch and dinner, you can reduce the quantity of apple cider vinegar. Always drink apple cider vinegar with a straw. This will protect your teeth enamel. Have this drink every day and you'll be able to lose up to 5 kilos in 5 days. Just ensure to use apple cider vinegar with Mother and not the bastardized version of apple cider vinegar. The results can range from 2 to 5 kilos depending on the climate, body and the diet followed. And stay on a balanced diet. Eat healthy and fast. Walk for 15 minutes daily for best results. This drink in this recipe is meant to be for 5 days, but if you wish to continue having, then you can always do so. Though this drink is safe for all but pregnant and nursing mothers should avoid this drink at the string as shown, and you'll be able to lose up to 5 kilos in 5 days. Hope you like this easy and an effective morning routine drink. Do subscribe my channel for more useful videos like this, and I I will see you soon with a new one. Till then, have some apple cider vinegar every day to keep the stubborn fat away. Bye bye. For any of the products mentioned in this video, please check out the link in the description. Please check out the next video here and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please hit the bell notification button to be notified when the next video goes up. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks for liking this video. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing.